Now here's how you can mute the iPhone chat. Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, go ahead and subscribe right now and you will not miss future tutorials. So you can open up the Messages app like this one and essentially just locate any chat that you want to mute. Then what you need to do is to swipe left on it, and the two options are going to appear. There is the trash can button to obviously delete the chat, but we also have the mute icon on a purple background. So when you click there, the chat will be muted, which means that your notifications will be delivered from the Messages app, but not when you get a chat from that person, only from other people. So it's pretty useful. Of course, usually people do that if they have a lot of group chats where a lot of activity is happening, right? That might be useful. But keep in mind that you can also just open up the chat and tap on that person. And at the top, you also have the button to hide alerts. And that's basically the same thing as if you just muted it right here. But this is just another way of getting there, right? Also, keep in mind that you can set up a focus mode, which is inside of the settings. And in there, you get to decide which people can and which people cannot contact you. So if you need a little bit more control during a set period of time, you can set up and turn on a focus mode, for example, a work mode, where you decide that you are going to mute notifications and phone calls from set people, right? And you only allow it from other people, or the other way around, right? Where you only pick your favorite contacts which can contact you. So it depends on what you need to achieve, but the options are most definitely there. So if you have any questions, leave them below. Thanks a lot, and I'll catch you later.